All right, we got our shipment from Gravedigger Tools. We won the auction on eBay. I was really excited about one of these things, but we got a lot more than one thing in the shipment. The auction was for this wall safe, brand new wall safe. It comes with obviously the keys and the codes to get in. I can change those so we can get some use out of locking away valuables in there. Inside the safe, we had a bag of, looks like some of my yard finds. So we have everything from forks, buttons. I think I saw a mercury dime in there, a Indian head penny. Just the typical kind of things you can find in an old yard metal detecting. We have 3 of these round Gravedigger Tools stickers and one really large, like a bumper sticker. I found a key ring. He makes these himself. I was watching him do that on the live. Some of the surprises we got in there. This one I opened up appears to be a totally legal, fun hobby of being able to get into locks without keys. I'm sure I can have some fun playing with that. We have looks like a very old Yale lock with the keys. So if we ever got to lock up some more stuff, we can do it old school style. These entire set, I can't tell if they are handcuff keys or just old skeleton keys together. This thing, I couldn't tell what it was. I thought it was a pen, but when you press the button, it actually shoots out a very long nail, so perhaps that's for interesting uses. Put that back down together. Then, another surprise, we have a bunch of really nice knives. I already carry one of those Gerber strong arms. But Corey's been wanting something, so I think we're going to be able to add to her finds pouch belt with one of those. There's a couple other knives. This one, it's got an interesting design. It's actually, the blade is longer than the handle, and this little cover comes through and keeps it in. But it's like a double, well, no, I guess not double-edged blade, but just never seen a knife like that before. Law enforcement, so not even sure if I can carry that, being that I am not law enforcement. Not to mention it's significantly longer than 4 inches if we have that rule out here in New York. I'm not too sure. This one, new in the box, is a Smith & Wesson. Not only is it a knife, nice flip-out knife, serrated edge, but it also has in the bottom, you have, it's like a seatbelt cutter, and the point to break windows. So more fun. Not sure if he just wanted me to be safe or make sure I can get into everything I want to get into at all times. We have a watch, Timex. What is that? Indiglo. Haven't seen one of those in years, but this thing is brand new, still on the display. Corey's really going to like the hot pink brand new design of the hand digger and one of his really nice sheaths. Comes with another one of these keychains attached to the little mount there. We also got a green one. It's another one of the newer colors. So real nice to have those. You don't got to worry about not being able to see it. And that's not enough. He sent us a T-handle version of the digger. Same knife edge, same length, but this one has the T-handle instead of the softer hand grip style. We also got a black Gravedigger Tools t-shirt. I believe it's got markings on the front and the sleeve as well as a 2XL Gravedigger Tools shirt. So I'm going to have to definitely eat a lot more of Corey's cooking to ever be able to fit into that one. And the piece de resistance, what I've been wanting this whole time, This is one of the currently unnamed beach scoops. Unlike others, it actually has, serrated teeth in the front, so you really can dig through without just the flat edge that most have. And if you look inside, you have the smaller holes near the back, so you don't got to worry about small things like the earrings or small targets falling through the larger holes. You can catch those in the back. And you see on the design, made in the USA, as well as the Gravedigger Tools logo. And you have reinforcements, solid welds all the way around. So, super happy about that one. I'm going to have to track down a carbon handle that'll match that. But amazing group of items I got from here, and everything inside the safe outside of the pink digger and the beach scoop. All of this is a total surprise. So really appreciate that, Eric at Gravedigger Tools. Go check them out at gravediggertools.com. He's got all sorts of small shovels, big shovels, and hopefully more beach scoops for everyone else.